see that big hose right there? Gotta get rid of that. Ah, there we go. Knife. No, it's just a box cutter.
Got him!
So. Ah, there we go. All right, I can't do this one-handed.
That's what she said.
All right, I've disconnected this, what is this called, a hose? Yeah, disconnected this hose now. And now I can officially get started. Hello, 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 everybody. My name is Hayze. So today's project takes place in South Beach, baby. We are going to be painting right here where it all happens at a nonprofit for autistic children, and I can't wait to show you guys what's going on. It's called Beyond, and without further ado, let's get into it. So that's it for today, at least.